friends, I'm Saurav. Welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this video, I'm just going to show you only for 4 step create the Windows Google Cloud load balance and autoscaling. So, so basically autoscaling compute engine offer autoscaling to automatically add or remove VM instance from a managed instance group based on increase or decrease in load, right? So autoscaling let your apps or your website costly handles increase in the traffic and is reduce the cost when the need to for resources lower. So main thing that your website or your apps when is too much load that time one another instance is automatically start, and when the your server or your website's hosting server is low too much low, so that time another add server automatically remove, right? So that is the main function of auto scaling. So let's do the practicals, right? First step is that I am just create a VM template, right? So now I'm just go here, that is my Windows Google Cloud dashboard. So now I'm just computer engine here, here just click on here. So I'm just option here computer engine. So now I'm just first step is instance template create, right? So now I'm just create template. So here I'm just can name the template the instance template for my project, for my own. So here's now I'm change the CPU series. I'm just for demo purpose use here. I'm just low CPU at minimum, F1 micro. Okay. So now it's down is operating system server is Debian is fine. So now here I am just allow HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. So I'm just click manage. So now here is one option that is is for startup, yeah, automatically startup script. So here you can choose a specific startup script that will run when you instance boot up and restart. A new startup script can be used to install software and your updates, so right. So and this ensure that is service is running when is the virtual machines, right? So that is the automatic instance all configuration on your server, right? So now I'm just put the automatic script. So here I'm just Google Cloud documents. So here I want the for startup, that is a startup script. So I copy here from I'm just create here. So you can see that is for you can check after this template created your server start or your HTTP server start or not, right? So now I'm just scroll down. So that's all. Now other things same as it, no change, that is everything for default by default. But you just see that here is you cannot see any others regions or locations here, right? Because that is a Windows and that is a Google Cloud instance template, right? So now I'm just created. So here you can see here the name, the template name instance my own, right? And machine type 1 VPC and 0.6 GB RAM, right? Operating system Debian, right? So disk is for 10 GB. So and for defaults here for, so first step is complete. So now I'm go to second step. Second step is that is for create a instance group, right? So okay, and now I'm just create an instance group. Say that is the second step. Okay, so click on instance group. So yes, now I'm just click instance group here over here. So here you can see that first step is name the instance group. Here my website, and so I'm just use for US US and instant group US, and here you can see locations. So there are to ensure higher availability. So then you can select a multiple zone locations for the instant group or single zone. So right, if but right now I'm a higher availability zone, so that's why I'm select a multiple zones, right? So and now I'm go here I'm select US Central, so that's why I'm select all zone, right? If you want to single zone, so that time you need no need to select all zone. But if I want to select multiple zone, that's why I select all things ABC all zone, right? So now in here in the select the my instance template. So here is number of the auto scaling. Okay, so auto scaling mode, yes, over here auto scaling on. Now here you can see that is auto scaling utilized. So I'm just go to change, that is for 70% air for utilize on my CPU, and that is auto scaling. So you can change the metrics type here, CPU, HTTP, and also that stakeover monitoring metrics. So but right now I'm use CPU utilization, so that's why I'm CPU select, and CPU 70% is enough for that. Now done. Here is very vital thing, that is minimum number of instance ones, a maximum number of instance means server, right? So here I am just select for 5. So 5 instance is enough for my website or more apps, my apps, right? But this is demo person, so that's why I'm set only for 5 instance, right? So here is the cooldown period, specific now long to takes for your app to utilize from boot time until radio to service. Here cooldown period is 606 second. Okay, that's all. So now I'm just go here, just create a health check. Okay, so health check. So now I'm create a health check. So first of all, just name tag name. So here name my USA, right? My health check USA. That is my first name, first health check. So here I'm protocol for HTTP. HTTP is protocol, proxy protocols none, and request party is the root. That's all. Here that's I am just check the interval is five. We are timeout for request, 5 timeout same. So and healthily it's two ping, so it's enough for, and unhealthy if unhealthy, so 3 ping, right? So now I'm just continue, just I'm just save and continue. So and once again created. So my health check HTTP is created. Now here is delay, I'm just here setting the 120. So that's all the configure fine. Now I'm just once again check it, so everything is right or not. Yeah, now I'm do the created. So you can see here my one instance group here 6 is created. So now I'm just create another instance group. Here I am using the two instance group because my website is I want to high availability, so I want to launch my instance, my website two regions. So one US, another is another region. So now I'm just create another region for UK. Okay. So here I'm just yeah, use it. So I'm just say Europe. So that's why I'm one instance group is Europe, right? So and that is also multiple zone. So I just set multiple zone. So your configuration select, you can see Euro 1 2 ABC, and that is selected. So right now, so in instance template I'm just same instance template. So now okay, scroll down is no change, everything is now here. I'm just change maximum for 5, maximum instance 5. So now is check. Now I'm just 1 second and create another health check. So here I'm just put the none. So I'm just name my health checks here, name the my health check 0. So right, I'm just set 1 second, select a strip P, port number HT and proxy protocol so none, and request password root. Okay, so more is nothing as for defaults. Now scroll down. So here the critical check the interval. So I'm just five is enough for 5 seconds for enough. Uh, and health you 2, and that's for as for defaults right now for. So now set continue. So here and say inflation delay times 120. So now I'm just creating. Oh yeah, you can see that another instance group is my just creating. So over here you can see instance group euro also done. My two instance group, one is euro and second is US. So that is created. So my second option is done. Second step is done. Now I'm go to the third option I am just creating LB, right, load balance. So now I'm just go here the network. I'm just go the network path section, network. See, I'm just click on the uh, so before create the load balance, I'm just creating my instance my elastic IP address, right? So just where I create IP address here, I'm just reserve a one elastic IP address because it's need to the my load balance. So right now I'm just name my IP address IP for so autoscaling. So my IP for autoscaling. So here is premium IP version 4, and type is that for I am just use for global, so that's why I'm using global. So static if not attachments right now instance. Okay, now it's charging. Okay, so I'm just create my IP address. That is my third step. So third step is that I am just created elastic IP address or internal IP address, right? So you can see that's for this IP address is not used till now, right? So now I'm just go the load balance 1 second. Okay, before the load balance, you just check your firewall. Okay, right, that 80 is 80 port allow or not. Here, my default HTTP or HTTP server just for 80 port is allowed, and also HTTP yes is that for already default by default allow. Right. So now I'm just go load balance. So option. So scroll down. Uh, load balance. That is my fourth step. Right. Fourth step, the first step is create template and instant can group, and third is static IP, and fourth is create LB. That is my last step, right? So now I'm just go to create load balance and start configuration. So here I am used for from internal to my VM, internet to my VM. Okay, it's definitely internet. So here I'm just name the my load balance here over here. So my load balance. So name that is my load balancer. And just now create the backend. Create the backends. On the backend name says my backend backends for UK for US, right, for UK first script. Here I'm use instance group backends or use instant group. If you want to change your network influencer, that's your configuration. Right. So now I'm just here protocol HTTP. Fourth is that for uh, 80 is enough for that. No change anything, same as it. Okay, here as it's same by default. So now I'm just go instance group. Here I'm just first of all use for US, right? It's because I'm just here type the US. Okay, the US instance group here port number I'm use that 80. That is my port number. Rating for maximum it is you can use that 8 utilizations for it, but right now I'm the demo purpose, so that's why I'm ready. So yeah, I use RPS. Maximum RPS is set for response to one, right? Capacity 100. Yes, and capacity is 100%. So now that is as for defaults, right? Now I'm just once again check it. Yeah, okay. Now I'm just create and it's done. So one backend is added. So now I'm just go to second backend same for add a second server backend. So some note for euro, port number same 480, and rating is for same one, and capacity is that is for 100%. Now is that do the correct done, right? So yeah, is do you can see here two instant group for install backends added. So now I'm scroll down here. Once again, I'm just create a health checks. So here this name for my if you want to help my I'm just gonna check for hello world health check. So that's one name. So here so I'm just go to the name for hello world health checks. So yes, protocol is HTTP, right, and proxy protocols none, and request path is at root. So here I'm just check the conviction for fives, right, and health check unhealthy threshold 2 and unhealthy for 3. Okay, so now I'm just check everything. Yeah, now I'm just save and continue. So you can see over here. So now other thing is same as it. I don't change anything here over here. Okay, sometime I want to so, but this is same as it. So now I'm just create. Okay, so you can see my backend server is for created. So now I'm just add my frontend. So here I'm just name my frontends, add name. So now name the that is that I'm just name the hello world. If it has your if I have my fountains, if I use that my fountains, so here font, fountain, my fountain. Okay. So here's protocol is for I'm a certificate, right? So now just scroll down here. So network services is for that's for as for default. I don't change anything. So here IP address I am just for use uh, my elastic IP. You remember I've just created one IP address, right? So that IP address I am attached for this for auto scaling, right? My IP for auto scaling, that is my auto scaling IP address, right? So it's done. Now I'm just go to click on run. So yes, you can see protocol HTTP frontend configuration also done. You just review the review and finish absolutely and last option, and now I'm just go to create. So you can see here over here my load balance is created. So great, you can see my load balance for protocol HTTP is backend and frontend is created, right? So now I'm just go to the my instance over here, and just for my VM instance. So you can see two instances, two server or instances automatically created. So for first of all, I'm just copy one server IP address, plastic IP, and just paste over here. Just check it. Yeah, so you can see that hello world. This page was created from its startup script, right? And so now I'm so one second another server IP address and copy, and so that's for use euro, and that's for also same. So you can see that server also same thing. Therefore, HTTP hello world, right? So now I'm just go to the my load balance at IP. Okay. So that is my load balancer IP. If you I want to add my website use domain point the auto scaling. So that time I use this of IP address. Okay, load balance IP address. I'm go over here and you can see your say load balance yeah, load balancing. So just click on load balance. So on click on my load balance. So you can see that is my elastic IP address, right? And just copy my IP address over here and just paste. So first of all, you just enter this IP address. What can see? Yes, that's good because when I add my auto scaling from by the load balancer, that time is take to some time. So within few minute is it automatic is done, right? So that's for quite few minute 1 minute. Okay. So yes, now it's great. Now after 1 minute. I'm just once again the refresh. So once again just for refresh. Oh, great! You can see here over here some load balance IP address is working right now, right? So that's all for now. I'm just go the my instance once again. The go to the my instance VM. Okay, so you can see here that is my first server IP, right? And that is second server IP, and that is my load balance IP, right? So now I'm just load okay in the server, right? So first of all I just create the just console for the instance US, right? So here I am just configured in the load balance when my server is 70% utilized. That time my server another server automatically add, right? So here I'm just use that for one of the script, right? So and I am just use my server one server I 70% over, so right then what text that you can see that. So now I'm just go root. Mhm. So here I'm just if I force install apt install python one script for apt get install python because I am just run one of the python script. Okay, you just very careful and just for notice the here is two instance right now, right? So now I'm just go run one script. So first of all I'm write the one script python-cpu.py. So I have already written my the I have this script. I get the net over the net, right? So I'm just copy this script and over here. Mm, so now I'm just doing the paste. That is Python script. So that script I got on internet, right? So now you can see yeah Python.cpu Python in this script is created. So now one thing, so now I'm just create one application. So that name is for that now name is CPU limit. So I'm over here copy. So that is application for CPU utilize for limitation, right? So I'm install for this in my in one of the server, right? So install done. Now I'm just run my Python script, okay? And that is has to it means for backend. My Python script is run for backend, right? And that is dollar for now I'm just enter. You can see that ID is 2044, right? And it address one core and it is run for backend, right? So now I'm just go to command prompt. So you can see that is CPU utilizes 99%, so right over here, and 100% CPU utilized, it means it over 70%, right? So now what the exactly you can see over here, be careful over here. Right now my server CPU utilized 90%. That's why is auto scaling it's configured. That's why it's automatically another server is created, right? And now I'm just for only for refresh. You can see very careful. you can see that is another server is automatically created, right? So once again replace, you can see over here, because I am the total old server is 5 to 5 10 server, right? So that means when the server utilizes 9 10 70% over, so that time and the server is automatically start, right. Once again, so it means my auto scaling is working perfect, right? So now I'm just load down in my server, right? So that's the one thing, just I'm just load down 50%, so that time another host server is removed, right? So now I'm through that. Now I'm just for, okay, so now I'm just down the CPU utilize 50%. So now I'm just go over here, I'm just CPU limit for minus 3, that is process ID. Process ID is 2478. You can see over here 2478 my fee ID, process ID. So now is I'm just down for 50. So now I'm hit enter. So process is for consume for 50%. So 1 second I'm just for on my US server. Okay, just go here. I'm just down 50%, so it means some white. You can see automatic another server is released, right? So okay, I'm just for right now. I'm just 50% CPU utilized. So after just for few minutes, you can see that another instance is automatically it's a release. Okay, so because I am setting for 70%, right now I'm just so that's all. So in this tutorials is that's all for the today. So if my videos any help to you, so then please subscribe and like my channel. So and thank you so much. Okay, and so please subscribe my channel for the next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.